Hello everyone, welcome back to Quintage. I am Anjul Agarwal and Quintage is your one-stop platform for all kind of information, knowledge and updates about investment banking, FRM, CFA and ACCA. In today's video, we are zooming on to investment banking and this video is going to be a detailed guide of what are the top investment banks. Watch the video till end to find out all the prestigious institutions that can be good for your career. So before getting to the list of our top investment banks, let's talk about what is investment bank. Investment banks are these institutions that specialize in all kind of financial transactions, let it be mergers, acquisitions or public offering. These institutions guide companies to navigate through complex economic and financial scenarios and make sound financial decisions. They play a pivotal role in corporate sector, helping companies, governments plan their financial strategies. In today's video, we are categorizing these investment banks into two brackets: bulge bracket investment banks and boutique investment banks. Also, the bulge bracket banks will be classified further into two categories: international banks and top domestic banks. So without any delay, let's get on to the list. So starting off with international bulge bracket investment banks. Number one is going to be JP Morgan, which is an flagship of American finance. JP Morgan stand at the forefront of global banking with significant impact in corporate sector, wealth management and investment banking, noticeably orchestrating some of the biggest deals in finance sector like government-backed rescue during 2008 global crisis.
And we thought we were helping the system. We only did it because we were asked to by Hank Paulson. And we thought if it went down, that could be a huge crisis for the globe.
It also facilitated Alibaba's historic IPO offering in 2014 of $25 billion, which was largest in history at that point of time. Its strategic moves significantly impact the global and economic scenario. Moving on to number two, Goldman Sachs. Synonymous with Wall Street itself, it holds a leading position in the global scene. It is renowned for its expertise in investment banking, asset management, as well as mergers and acquisition. It played a pivotal role in successfully launching the IPOs of companies like Twitter, Spotify and so many more. Its influence extends to significant government and private sectors in all kind of transactional activities. Goldman Sachs positions itself as a leader in the finance innovation. That brings us to our third investment bank, Morgan Stanley. It is known for its strong foothold in the market of institutional securities, wealth management and investment banking. Morgan Stanley have facilitated numerous high-profile IPOs like Google and Facebook itself, so it becomes the first ideal choice for all the tech companies planning to go public. It also advised on acquisition of LinkedIn by Microsoft. That was a $26 billion deal. It plays its role and positions itself as some company that can handle complex transactions. Next, we move on to Barclays. With a significant presence in retail and investment banking, Barclays is a company that has a solid track record in the international market by handling complex and large-scale international transactions. It was instrumental in the acquisition of ABN AMRO by the Royal Bank of Scotland. That deal was one of the largest bank takeovers at that time. Barclays continued to influence the global economic scene significantly because of his risk management capabilities and strategic advisory techniques. Next, we have Credit Suisse. It is a global leader of wealth management and financial advisory. Credit Suisse has a strong foothold in managing important assets throughout the globe. It was deeply involved in restructuring Glencore, one of the largest commodity trading and mining companies. Credit Suisse underscores its role as a stabilizer and innovator in the banking sector in the global scene. Now that you know top 5 international bulge bracket banks, let's quickly unveil top 5 domestic bulge bracket banks. Number 1 is going to be ICICI Securities. It is a powerhouse of India's financial landscape. It has played pivotal role in numerous IPOs and helped companies to go public, one of which was Gland Pharma, one of the largest IPOs in India. Its strength lies in comprehensive brokerage services and wealth management solution. It is a top choice in corporate and retail investors alike. Second, we talk about HDFC Banks, one of the largest private sector banks in India. It is distinguished by widespread retail network and substantial corporate network. It has played pivotal role in many financial incentives, including funding infrastructural projects throughout the country. It have also managed several several successful IPOs, which enforces its position as a leader in the capital market. On third, we have Kotak Investment Bank, which is known for its expertise in diverse financial services. Kotak Investment Banking has facilitated some of the largest deals of mergers and acquisitions in India, like that high-profile deal of Idea and Vodafone merger. Its strategic advice and high execution capabilities make it an ideal choice for high-profile deals. Next, we have Axis Capital. It is a key player in the investment banking market. It have led numerous IPOs and debt placements successfully. It was instrumental in successful IPOs of Avenue Supermarts that operates D-Mart. It was one of the lucrative deals in Indian history. Last domestic investment bank is going to be Edelweiss Financial Services. Edelweiss is recognized for its versatile financial solutions ranging from corporate finance to asset reconstruction. It has been involved in significant reconstruction deals and is known for managing the asset sale of Acer Steel, one of the largest cases under India's bankruptcy court. This was all about bulge bracket investment banks. Let it be domestic, let it be international, you have the list. Now we are going to jump on to and unveil the list of boutique investment banks. For starters, we have Avendus Capital, one of the prominent names in India's boutique investment banking scene. Avendus Capital have a strong focus on providing tailor-made solutions in the tech and healthcare sector. The firm has facilitated major deals, including facilitating investment in the tech sector, tech startups, to facilitate young companies grow and scale. Next, we have O3, known for its agility and innovative approach. O3 specializes in both cross-border and domestic transaction, having a strong foothold in consumer retail market and healthcare sector. Its advisory service have been remarkable and reshaped the industries in India. Next, we have Spark Capital, a leading advisor in South India. Spark Capitals offer in-depth market insights and advisory services. It particularly excels in sectors like IT and manufacturing. Its expertise in local market have guided numerous firms through successful IPOs and private equity deals. This is how it have enhanced itself as a regional and national investment bank. Next, we have Equirus Capital, which stand out for its boutique approach. It targets mid-markets across pharmaceuticals and technological industries. The firm's strategic advice have helped numerous firms to navigate through the complex financial landscape, which is why it is on our list. Last but not the least is going to be SBI Capital Markets. It is one of the oldest investment banking firms of India. SBI Capital Markets excels in project advisory and financial syndication, particularly financing the infrastructural sector. Its deep-rooted understanding of India's financial environment has facilitated many infrastructure projects and in turn led to country's development. So hopefully together we have understood that how each of the investment bank is somehow playing its unique role, and hopefully this would help you make a sound decision. Now you have to sit and decide what industries excite you, which sectors excites you, what are the ideal options for you if you want to build a career in India or you want to go abroad with your options. All these factors need to be considered before you take any sound decision related to your career. But hopefully this list will help you get somewhere. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe us for more such videos. If you still have any doubts, any queries, or is there something you want to know more about, connect with us in the comment section. See you soon in the next one. Have a good day, keep learning.